Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
They will listen to you. They go pick out your negative and they go see pick out your positive for inside. Now that one viewers they do for live video. Viewers also, they are also very helpful. They are helpful to whoever they are viewing. When they view you, they support your ministry. They help you. Although many of them, they carry the mind of negativity, they can't say, may I can't disturb them. But in another way, they go to be supporter. They themselves sometimes know they say, hey, Mama, Liza, all right? Eat your food in row. Family is fine. Now that one, 9 viewers, 9 then they do. Viewers can just watch and leave. Followers can be following just as monitoring spirits. Fans can be like you because of fans can like you because of what you do. But somebody like me, your die-hard fan, we love you for what? We love you. I want to read that comment finish. Die-hard fan, we love you to the moon. Am I not saying again? We love you to the moon. We love everything you do. When you go wrong, we tell you inbox rather than disgrace you in public. Oh, now God bless you, Charity Eligwe. Oh, I'll play one shot. Let me use one music to dance for that charity. May I use music to dance for you? Una know say my own very son Don Ezekiel is celebrating birthday tomorrow, and I have choose to celebrate him in another way. So watch out for the surprise that I have for him tomorrow. He might not be here. We will celebrate him tomorrow evening, anytime from 8:30 in the evening. May we gather here, we can celebrate him together. May I quickly dance for charity for that answer? May I Charity, now you get this one. For charity for that beautiful answer. Thank you so much. When I see that answer, it makes sense that you say he answer everything. I never even talk of followers. He don't answer. I say followers can be following just as monitoring spirits. Then followers, people where they press followers for your page. If they enter your page, they will just say follow. Oh, maybe sometimes they see the video where you do, or post where you post, or topic where you do. They like them that day, you go follow. For that simple reason, because of that video, because of that one thing where you do, not be because of saying get one special love for you. No, just for that video you did, for that thing you did that very day, you say, oh, I want to put my follow because this thing I repeat itself next time, make I see him. And that follow sometimes, that thing where you do, where you like, where make him follow you. If it be your shame and disgrace, if it be your affair, if it be your tears. Because your enemy also, if you do anything that they follow you, not be only presenter. Say you be presenter of Facebook, when you are just a presenter of Facebook, people will come and follow you. No. If you have an ordinary Facebook, as a person who is on Facebook, there are people who also follow you to see your downfall. They don't comment on your pictures. They don't press like on your picture. They don't press anything on your picture. They just follow you. They just press follower. Anytime you post, your post will appear in their wall. They will see you. They will see your lifestyle. They will see your everything that you are doing. If they see and finish, he said that you're looking like this. I beg them. This one don't still post. See waiting he post. I bet they go. Yeah. You don't still post picture. Now only you get husband. Now only you get wife. Now only you get children. I bet carry come out. Waiting you post. Waiting they never see where you get. Some followers also can be like that. Why others go also see you when you go post that thing? Go say, hey, my lady Lolo Nkeshiri, you are welcome. Thanks for joining. Why others also they'll see her, Liza. They'll see her. He go say, hey, can not then give me a say. Uvira me not then give me a say. Uvira me not then me say what me picture of the now. If not really good intention that person gets for you, if you don't get bad belly, if you don't get nanamwe koru or anything, you must drop a like. You must like your page or like your picture or your children picture or your husband picture. For Facebook, my people, I'm not talking about presenter page now. I'm talking generally for Facebook. Everyone have a Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook, you cannot log into my channel this morning. You need to have a Facebook before you do it. So, followers, sometimes, most of them, now monitoring spirits. People where they follow you where you don't even know. If you check your Facebook, you will see say monitoring spirit now in they follow you. This one, you don't even know. The day where you go know say, but you have enough 1 hour lele for more than 10 years. So my print like ye picture me there. You never even tell me say if they see me one day. And the day my Facebook, I never even know say this kind of person there here. You never even write you for your inbox one day, do one to you or say me you tell no say they there. You can say Jesus. That one is also a follower, but it's not a friend. It's not your supporter. It's your viewer and it's your follower. So don't be carried away with this kind of person. If you notice or you see and say, oh, this is my person, they follow me. No. You can also have a witch as a follower. You can have a babalawo as a follower. You can have your enemy that is following you. Just like that our sister Charity right now just now say, following you. No beg you, boy gammy me that they know here we are soon. No make now why making us soy. It happened to me. The time where coronavirus did that day. When my enemy can't catch coronavirus. I surprised person when he write say when my admin can't post my picture when they discharge me for hospital. You know, when ambulance carry me for us, I post and I say ambulance carry me, blah blah blah, they go hospital. Just because of my fans, so that they will be aware of the new situation of things. So when I come back, my admin can't post and just giving an example. The time when my admin post and I can't see person. When comment section, this time I don't reach out, they don't discharge me. For the comment section, I can't see one person. I can't say Jesus. Happy Sunday, DJ Timothy. Bongo bongo. I can't see person where I say thank God do, and this person say person that I know. He said thank God you are back. All my life on social media and on Facebook, the only place where I don't ever see this person thank God say you are back from the hospital. Where I even tell no say that kind of person they follow me. Now when they discharge me for hospital, say hey God, thank God say I don't die. He say thank God do. It's your right hand. And the person is very close to me. I didn't even know that this kind of person is following me. I was shocked. All the picture of my children when I don't post. All the picture of my husband. My own picture. My lifestyle. Everything. I don't even know say they follow me for this page. Happy Sunday. Now when I can't see that and I say, so this kind of person they follow me. Jesus. I was shocked to the brim of my blood. I say, my God. So you see, that person is a follower. But what was the person following you for? He was not following you for your good. He was not following you to hear good news about you. The person was following you to... Even my sister can bear me witness on this. Before I know what is happening, my mother called me from Nigeria to say, that picture, he sent it to somebody in Nigeria. That person quickly sent it to my mother. Fast to say, if you don't deal, if you still there alive, you don't nobody know. That one is a follower. But now follower where they make sure say they get correct updates from you every day. Not because they like you or anything. The day where you go just hear say, they say this person died, go post your picture. God forbid. May our enemy not see our picture of rest in peace post. Whoever is wishing you bad, we first of all fall in that bad for you before you go there. That kind of person, they are the first people to showcase themselves when they hear bad news like rest in peace or they coma or you know if they waka again or something bad happened to her. Before you even know what is happening. Good afternoon, both queen. Those kind of people, green, a picture where you don't carry a lab, and I go fair explain your life, give the next person say, I know that person now. You go say, you know, I go say, I know, I know. Isha, but I don't know say you know this person. Go say I know well. Where you for know? I go say hey, we relate to. We relate well. If my mama and my mama sister. Oh, if papa and my papa brother. You don't know. That one go say, but since all these years when I dey follow you, you never ever thought say you know this woman. I know he pay me, shall say he can't die like this. Then all the bad thing when you don't ever do for your life, all of them go showcase. Go begin to narrate your bad. When you are no longer there, that is when people normally say what you do wrong. When you are not alive anymore to defend yourself. When you are not alive anymore to say, Liza, can I watch your movie without too much noise, okay? Happy Sunday. When you not, God forbid, say, person not there alive again to come talk, say, see what happened to me, see one thing. Then the people of the world will start carrying their own personal news to say, now what kill her, maybe this so. The other one will say, now what kill her, even what not even kill yourself, now kill you that, even go say na sickness, now that die, now you die. Their own die when they plan since may your enemy die, they will come put their own for front, say now their own die, now kill you. One thing about the world we are living in now. Those are followers. Your followers can follow you everywhere, but not be all of them like you. Immediately you on live video, the first people that also come to you as presenters to watch you, most of them, 50% of them are your enemies. They just stand and watch. They don't press like, they don't press love. They follow you. They watch everything. Sometimes, some of them, they press love, they press like, they don't comment. And they don't comment, they're not they comment because they don't want to make people, hey Liza, they don't want to make people know, say, then they follow you. Sometimes because of the gossip where they do concerning you, because of the way they talk about you, because of the way they disguagua you when you're not there for your back, when they finish you for inside phone call to phone call. After they don't disguagua you finish, they love what you are doing that day, but to put like and love, because they fear them because you go say, my friend go see and say, Ija, that's the way me come disguagua yesterday. Now I come they put like and love for a Facebook day. Sometimes some followers they be like that. And they explain what I know about viewers, followers, fans, supporters, and die-hard supporters. Then another people also, when it be fan. Let her be there, leave her alone. Fan. Me, I will never follow anyone with negative energy because they have nothing to offer. Your fan also, these are the people who just like you naturally. They like you. Fan like anything where you they do. Like this our sister talking. Or if you know they do anything where they don't like, they don't go correct you for public. They will write you message for inbox. Most of them I get their messages for you. He go write you messages for inbox. He go say what you do. Or if you want even correct you for public, he not go insult you. He go give you that constructive correction where you go touch your head. You say, hey, so this person noticed this thing. Wow, this person they intelligent, they clever. I just see this kind of thing. You'll be wondering to say, because it makes me to wonder about intelligence of one woman like that. You get one woman like that who lives in the US. When me and engage ourselves for conversation of messages. I toilet for her and say, wow, at the end of the day. So that those ones, now be fans. They just follow you, they love you, they like you, they don't want to see you cry, they don't want to see you fall, then they don't want to see anything bad happen to you. Sometimes they are able to watch your video when they have the opportunity. Sometimes, thank you Pamela, sometimes when they don't have the opportunity, they don't watch. Sometimes they also watch your enemy, your fan, so that they can be having correct updates. Not because they love your enemy past you, but just to be getting updates from what your enemies are doing concerning you. Your fan also do all those things. Then you see the one where they call die-hard fans. Die-hard fans. Die-hard fans no go fit stand anywhere where they insult you. They don't understand that. They cannot take it. I'm a die-hard fan of somebody. I will not mention the name here. I'm a very big die-hard fan of somebody on social media. It's a man. I will never stand it. If I see anybody on live video, before you pour insult on that person, I don't comment. I know they watch. I know they listen. Die-hard fan. Now so that one me. And die-hard fan, anything where be say you drop for your page. I say the noise is too much now, mama. Anything where be say you drop for your page. Just like the way we love you and Lolo naturally, but hardly comment. Happy? Thank you. he go just look am, he go say, and die hard fan. If person they talk, na inside their throat they look. You go say, me I look inside mouth, me I look inside throat, me I see whether you talk about the presenter when I love, me I see whether you talk about the person when I know, me I see whether you go. They have already they. Then if die hard fan my own, they go meet another person. He carry something for belle go. Sometimes not be love. That thing where he carry put for belle now, me I go look whether he go talk about person when I like. Then I go attack him. That is a die hard fan of a person. Die hard fans sometimes they don't get money to give you, but their support will be very massive. You will see their support, it will increase you, it will promote you for live video, for social media, for your business. And die hard fans, you know them. You must know them. You that is a presenter or whoever you be, a blogger, a poster, you know who your die hard fans are. You know them by name. You see, because you also move around social media, sometimes you see their comment for different kind places to say, this one, I will again, I die hard fan. Then the one will be die hard fan, you see and say, wow, this one is my die hard fan. He's there for me. He's defending me everywhere. Wow, you just be falling in love with those people every time inside your mind. Now be die hard fan. These are the difference. Die hard fans are not only viewers. Wait, just call your fan. They'll just call your page, say me, I can't view what it do. No. Yes, die hard fan will be angry about evil plan against you. Yes, they'll be angry about it. Sometimes they will call, but they're not going to tell you to say, now me, they use this account till they follow you. Now me, they use this account till they monitor, till they do it, like following your life bomber to bomber. They don't tell you. But you yourself, you go know them to say, you see this account, you see this person is my die hard fan. And in most cases, if you're on social media, it pains you. It pains you so much to lose a die-hard fan. It pain you. But it not they pain you if you lose follower. No. Because most people wait, they come live video when you want to express yourself, when you want to do your stuff. You see them come in and say, I used to follow you, I will not follow you anymore. Those are enemies. They are not your die-hard fans. And me, that is Rita, I'm not afraid of losing those kind of people. I love losing them because when they go, those people, when they go, God will open the door of a better person to come to your life. That is it. I'm not afraid to lose viewers. I'm not afraid to lose followers. Never. Because followers are just like Barack. They come and they go. Today, they feel there with you. Tomorrow, they not go there with you. Tomorrow, they go there with another person. Now, that one ain't be followers. And some die-hard fans too, they know themselves, in between themselves, to say, me, I be die-hard fans of Rita. Patience is also a die-hard fans of Rita. Then, or me, I'm a die-hard fan of Yuri. The other one is also a die-hard fan of Yuri. That they know themselves to say, nah, so we be. You see, these are the differences. Sometimes, followers, ordinary followers and viewers, that they put themselves in the position where it be say, it's not for them. That position sometimes, it will not be for you. It will be a position of a die-hard fan of a particular person. You want to go and put yourself over there. Person where it be say, you can stay without watching their video 1 month. It's not your die-hard fan. And those kind of people, sometimes, you don't need to be giving people advice. The only people that need to give people advice on social media, if you want to advise a person, make sure you are a die-hard fan of that person. If you are advising that person will take on because he go know say you they share a video. He go know say you they follow and they do everything. He go know say you are always there. Somebody like a die-hard fan will cry and fall sick when someone insults their favorite. Very true. It don't first happen to me. You understand? That one is a die-hard fan. They will cry. They will fall sick. And person where they fight their favorite, they will fight them too. By all means. Those are the people where you get the right to boldly call person, the advise person on what to do. These are the only people I love to talk with. When they talk about conversation, correction, prognosing or whatever. Those are the only people I love prognosing to my business. You see the ones where not be somebody like, I can count them. Don't mistaken, the other one, illiterate commenters, Baudry Toto, Charity, all these people. You know, there are many like that. Both the Queen, wait, comment. You know, there are some people you just know that these people are my die-hard fans. Yes, thank you so much, Lolo Kubana. When they call you and they advise you, they sweet you for belly. The person will not be your die-hard fan. Wait, just they check into your video. Come watch your video. he be follower, ordinary follower na he be you, or ordinary viewer. If you tell am say which video I post yesterday, he not go even know the kind video where you even do yesterday. He go say you dey live since 1 week I never see you. Why I not dey see your notification now? Some people ask those kind of questions. He go say your notification not dey reach where I dey. Why I not dey see am? He come advise you. He call you to come give you advice inside your house. You will say, okay, let me listen to you. Then you will just ask him one simple question and go your face. Sometimes that question will be say, which video I even do yesterday? And that time you will come say, you post video yesterday. You do video yesterday. For 1 week, I never even see your this thing. Your notification on the come. I don't know, na person just send and come give me nana. It vex me when those kind of people carry phone say they want advise me. It vex me well, I know they like him. He go say, na person just send your video come for me, nana. Meaning you don't know me. You don't have any connection with me. You don't know what I do. Maybe that video that you saw, it's a video that I was just expressing myself in one anger at that particular time. Something they make me the verse at that particular time. I was expressing myself. And it is very unfortunate to say you are on Facebook, you are on social media, and you just came across the video. And the video, sometimes, it wasn't for you. It was for a particular person. So you go just jump inside, you just conclude, gree. Just they look for phone number of the person where they on top of the video, they go. You just call the presenter because they lay your advice. It's very wrong, my people. It's very wrong. Now, some people, they talk, say this guy died, so say he died for immunity. You see and say, not be only presenters where they live video, they do immunity. Some people, they wait, they say, they just they say, ask, you did not mention my name. Irene, you did there. Exactly. You know, but if I they see them, and they know them, say this one, yes, that one, yes, that one, yes. Meg, Sister Meg, you know, these people, sometimes they also carry your supporters badge. They support you in whatever that you do. You see, they are there for you. They share your videos. If you go to their wall, sometimes you just say, me, I go spy them. You spy them and you see them share your video. They give you joy. They give you happiness. So, today will be Sunday. I want to thank everyone that is my die-hard fans. The number you are, how many will not be, sharing my videos, you keep me stay on social media till today. Thank you so much. And the respect when I get for social media now, when I get them for my die-hard fans are the people I came to appreciate today will be Sunday. Now when I get too much love for, now when I get too much respect for, now word, now they sometimes they think while they do some kind of things, I'll say, let me relent. Una word, they keep me going. My die-hard fans. Bravo, illiterate commenters. You know, these people, where they always they talk right from the beginning of my live video, say, we not many, but I know them. I know who them be. I know the kind of person with them be. Thank you so much for being there, part of my journey, the beginning of my journey on live video till today. Because if I go some kind of place at times where I see when they'll say, Rita, they talk nonsense for them, I go still see you now. Now go they fight. Now go they comment. Now go they talk. I love you people and I want to keep on loving you. Thank you so much. One commenter sometimes when I get, it go feel engage 3,000 people for me. I they love those kind of people. If you get time. I know they get time when they walk, oh. You go say, boy, if I get time, you see this little commenter, both Ritoto, all these people, and then you go they wrestle with 10 people at a time, only in. Why won't I come out and say, thank you, illiterate commenters? Irene Joseph, God bless you so much. Both Ritoto, long time I've not seen you. But you told me that you are also Ishok them. Now you be Ishok them too. Well, Ishok, thank you so much. Me can't thank you now. Patience Ivanus, I came to thank you this morning. Thank you all so much. Philo Loy Williams. Loy, there's one platform I saw you, Loy. You went out that platform, you was talking to that presenter. You say, I came here because somebody said you are a good person. Rita said you are a good person. That is why I came to this platform. Me on no say, with the sometimes they spy, they look around live video, they say, me, I really look whether this person na really person will really like me. Or na person will just they pretend follow me. Or na person will not get that love and likeness for me too. This is how it is. One day I carried paper, I was writing the names of some people. And my husband was saying, both real account, fake account, just they write all of them for granted. I say, forget that thing. These are the people I am talking about this morning. Friday Usas, thank you so much. Both Ritoto is on restriction again. Okay, now so you talk. All right. So thank you so much. Sometimes if I see your comments, illiterate commenters, both Queen, all of you, oh my God, I'll say, God, I just thank you. My destination where they go for social media, woman don't go fit stop am, man don't go fit stop am. Oh, be a set stop we set stop we need Jesus Christ no me fan. No matter how they try and how they gather, no matter the frustration they try to bring, God will always disgrace them and he will always disappoint them and he will always bring them to level 0. Say, iyama oni aya o ya begin social media but in Jesus the social media na ya pa many deja. Akpa no good worky. We need Jesus Christ no me fan. Now I can't say this morning. Me I can't explain this thing for now, my people. Somebody say, Mama Rita, do you have fake accounts? No, I don't have fake account, but I will open fake account anytime from now. I love those who have fake account because it's very, very important. All right. Another commenter also, when I will also give my thanks to, although they are men and they told me that we are not always there. Osas, God bless you, Mr. Osas. Thank you so much. Fred Williams, God bless you, Fred. Thank you so much. Nedala Goodson, Page Blocker. These people, I want to thank you so much. There are many. Just say those you remember and those you can't. Yes. Those I remember and those where I don't remember, una do well for my body. I really thank una so much. Douglas, thank you so much. When I talk this kind of thing, you see say sometimes when people will be doing whatever they are doing, there is a reason they will be very bold. And they will be very confident and know that these people did by me. And the time when they will come, they see praise, other people will come, they jealous them. Now that one I can't pay me pass for inside. They are beginning, you know they there the time when they stand with the person. The time when person will come, they call them my own. I love them. They show them that kind of love. Like the kind of love when I want to show my son for this platform tomorrow. Take dance for a birthday. Some kind of people will come, they say, why? Una don't know the beginning of me and now. He saw me at the beginning of nowhere and he carried me the way I be. He know say na mama way he be say I can't live video. Many people were saying face your cup, face your cup, face your cup. Even when others they shock me, the things where their mama no fit take, they say make I take them. The thing where them themselves no fit take, they say make me take them. You see, you are one of the few educated, with manner and cultural presenter. You are blessed with wisdom. And there is always something to learn and take home from your platform. Thank you so much. Star Mercy Louis. God bless you so much. I will look for how to open fake account. Just so. Wow, open factory discount day. That one is another one. Also, thank you so much. Factory discount day. God bless you. I know then. That make me the thought say, which day I enter social media? If God go use all these kind of soldiers, stay bless me, we be Rita. These kind of soldiers under 2 months, may they see you now. Just talk about Rita anyhow. May you see some of them the way they go. 10 people, yeah, they think I can't be and when it comes to English, oh God, when I see that illiterate commenter, they call itself illiterate commenter, but the school where you go, illiterate commenter is a PhD holder. And if I say it, many people will not believe. Illiterate commenter is a PhD holder. It's a person where he go school where and na PhD na he hold. The day he reveal himself to me and say, come, Mama Rita, na me be illiterate commenter. I say, Jesus, hey, salo boa so na you? He say na me. Put on for video. Me I show you some kind of thing. I put up a video, he showed me now, say, I fall for grant for I need that. I was thanking. I said, thank you so much. Thank you so much. He says, sometimes if I comment somewhere, they will come begin to measure your name, they insult you because they will say, now you. They will fight you. Say, now you be illiterate commenter, now you be this one, now you be that one. I say, but look at me. It's me. If I did walk anywhere where I did, my phone is always on. I have internet everywhere inside my car. He say, immediately I don't hear you say you enter live video. Baka, how your job enter. Who misbehave, go collect. You understand? This is exactly who shocked them is for me. Bodri Toto. Happy Sunday, Franco. Bodri Toto. All these people. I am proud of you people. Social media these days. He pay me. Say na ko it can be. It's not supposed to be like that. But una know now. Anything that starts with Nigerian people, there must be somehow. It must get the way it be. Especially if you want to contribute into social issues. If to say, na bread that they slice for here, I dey cut cake, or I just dey do makeup. You will not see all these things. Even some people who do makeup on social media, sometimes I'll be surprised to see them facing bullying. People bullying, then carrying their face up and down. They say, now, so I'll be wondering to say, that's the way they do makeup. Now they say they bully. Now they carry up and down, so they do and this kind of thing. You know? Me, I get fake account too. Now because of Monekia and Inogie. That is why I open it to support them or to fight them. To support them or to fight them. So my people, I want to thank Una. Una, where I just a pen book. I also want to thank you. You're a good guy. You see? Mama, please, not to reveal too much. All right, okay. So, now so it be. You see these people. Sometimes I don't even need to. I'll just laugh. I'll say, wow, God, I thank you. It's not easy. If you know say you get ahead, come to me anyhow. If then they work, no problem. But if they're not they work, when they go engage you, finish. Conversation. If I see Bodri Toto go dey fight 10 people at a time. Only go there inside that wall. What thing am I even give you? What will I even use to thank you? How will I even say thank you? I don't know. I am very, very grateful. I am grateful. Both Queen, I came to thank all of you. Both my real account, where they support me. Both the fake account, where they support me. SARS, who now do well for my body. Why I say it's not easy. Oh. I know it's not also easy for you people. But you know one thing where I want to encourage. If you now see, oh, my beautiful goddaughter, I'm also seeing you there. Good morning. Carol White, you are everywhere. If you now see, say, I also get followers too. The reason why they know they do all those things now, real accounts, now that they use. They don't like, and that their real accounts, they are picking day. Their husband, they inside. Their wife, they inside. They don't know what to be fake accounts. They just love me. They didn't know that social media, they will come see me for inside fight. One day they fight other people. But immediately they still see and say, that fight and those things happen. They don't run, leave me for inside. Somebody like Meg Goseki, that is the respect and love I have for you, Sister Meg. You don't run come out like other people. Where it be say, when fights can't happen for social media, now I can't know the people where you really love me. And I love you people back like shit. Like shit. Kathy, good evening. How are you? I love you people back like shit. I came to confess my love to you people. Honestly. I came to confess my love. Honestly speaking. I get many real accounts where they follow me. Because I will be doing motivational topics. Those topics that touches the heart where people like. These people just follow me for real. But when my challenges started on social media, I didn't see them anymore. I didn't see them. They ran away. Some of them came and said, because you are not doing you can't do saga on social media. And I wish they never ever fall the temptation that I fall. Somebody told me those days, he said, Rita, they will come for you. By the time you start to grow on social media, you will be seeing them, they'll be poking you, poking you, poking you, poking you. They are coming. It was a prophecy. Exactly, Sister Meg, people like you. It was a prophecy to say, they will come for you. They are coming. A woman came here, she was prophesying. I was listening. She said, they are coming in their numbers. Be ready, Rita, and be strong. And resist them. Because it's only when you resist the devil will flee from you. Resist them. Resist them with good power and strength. Don't be afraid. Don't shaking out. Because if you shaking out, they will demoralize you and they will drive you into her house. That's the end of you on social media. He said, this one is the word I want to give you. So all these real accounts, when I talk, so or some of all these people, I don't see them again, my people. Some of them leave me at the junction of life. That is why you see, if I did that video, some people will call me, I'll cut their call, and some will call me, I will accept their call because I know them. Die-hard fans, these are the only people I want to be talking to, or call me, I go answer their call, or advice I go take them because you know why. People don't say now you, where they look me so, you go still do the thing. Man, where they say at the beginning and everything of your life, your suffer, you did there. Your rain, you did there. Your everything, you did there. In the parent of that man, you can't be everything. They're not they use that kind of man till they play. You know now. That kind of man, you don't feel use and play with person. You will just love him. You will say, this man, I see you for where they for the see person. It can me away. You know, use and play. Like this, my husband. Oh, Princess Obas, how are you? Good afternoon. Yes, Netherlands good song. You see, you will say now where they for the see person. Now I foresee you. You know, use that your man to play. Even that your wife, first wife will stand with her. Now make some men go talk say, why be say men wey get wife, they'll see go do side chic. If they do and finish, they'll come home, come meet their wife. Side chic go be one make collect the mind, not fit. Because the man sometimes, if you don't pour release finish, you don't enjoy yourself, that 5 minutes enjoyment, you go come they remember the woman with 2 of them start. You go come they remember the people with 2 of them start. So the people I respect and I love that I don't play with are my die-hard fans. They are the people who have the first class seat in my life. The seat, if then they give person seat for life, say, where be your seat? My die-hard fans, now then they take the first seat. Before other people go even say they want come. Before other people where I don't even know where go even come, they use it directly, they contradict you, they try to bring you down. You understand? Before those ones comes your supporters, your die-hard fans. And I also want to say big thanks to insiders of the Inside Life, every members of Insiders. May God bless you all. And every members of Ayemiomo supporters. Ayemiomo supporters group. Now God will bless you now. Thank you all so much. Sometimes I will just go read a conversation for inside there and I'll be laughing and I will say, God bless you all so much. And Netherlands good son, thanks for doing a great job. I appreciate you this morning. I really want to appreciate you because you deserve the appreciation. Netherlands good son. The other day, there is a video that you caught. You can't cut this video. I saw it. You say, I say, whether I say me we leave Vera talk show. Whether why I can't want now, we be say now I can't the same me we leave Vera. We be say everything we Vera don't do to me. My people, me una leave am. If to say now you yourself, you go see say leave am. You see, one person, the apology when Vera talk about, I never reply for the apology those that date now. Both Toto have been your supporter for long, just that I'm not using my real account. Yes, thank you so much. If you go look if you look everything where it happen, this is how it is. Social media is like a game. If you don't understand the way it be, you don't go know. Everything where they happen, not taken to heart. Thank you, Douglas. Not taken to heart too. No, not taken to heart. Me, I don't take any of them to heart too. It be like saying that's why I take survive all the stroke, all the bully, and all the insult, all this years. Till now. Until I take survive, I not get everything they do me again. I will just pray, say me one day come here, I can't talk the story. Like the way I talk about if you need you say na me go settle one thing and the sister. And I repeat them with all boldness because I know. We not know. Me know. I see her for my 2 eyes. She not the see her because of her ignorance, but me they look the day. It's just that it is drawing closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer. How many of them here now? 335. Keep watching and keep watching. She has been constituting users for a very long time, and I want life to teach her lesson, and she will get the lesson, and she will remember my ways. And all of you wait there, you will remember my ways. Now so like be. I too go love you, Madam Rita. I feel die for you like Romeo and Juliet. Thank you so much, Netherlands good son. God bless you. Una do well, una love I see. So now I get the first class seat of my life. Even though see people they talk anything, say na so Rita can be. Na so it be. Like what I been want to explain just now. Social media is just like a university. Some students when they enter university, they never ever get the intention of say if they enter, they will join court. Do you know that? How Daddy, how are you?
No,
happy Sunday.
Same to you.
They never ever get the intention of say one day they will come join courtesan. And I also want to thank another person who is the Erodo who support me right from the journey of my live video. He supported me. He has been a big supporter. He has been a pillar. He has been standing behind me. I'm also saying very big thank you to him. So my people, some students when their parents go school, they carry that pikin go school. That pikin when he come out for secondary school before he enter university, he not get the intention say, come on, if I enter university, I will go constitute nuisance. I will go join courts. I go come they do all this one. I go come they do all that one. They don't know. They not put on for heart. They don't even think about it. But they started doing whatever they were doing because of bully African background. Most of your children, your brothers and sisters that join court, they joined it because of bully. This is one thing bully can do. Bully can take you to another level. It can make you very strong, even stronger than the people who started bullying you. You'll be stronger than them. Because anything people are doing to you in this life, it doesn't go and it fall away. It enters your body and it works inside you. It changes you. It's taking effect in your body, and the effect will be seen in the public. And public will start saying, not be so you be before. Why you can't be like this? Not be so you be before. Why you can't be like this? So person where I see say, I dey do my work for social media, they carry my picture. You go use and do nakedness for a fake account, and I know say that this presenter don't. What do you expect? I will be planning in my heart on how to deal with that person. I will be planning in my heart on how to also be able to know how to do that thing, and I will come and face that person bomber to bomber. Now that one, some people for the talk say, this person not be so a bit before he come wicked. No, life can teaches you better. Yes, now, blessing benediction. Now that one be the truth. You don't already write on. You see, it go come make you strong to the extent where be say, you will come the talk say, what did they do me? I go do them back. Whether na inside fake account, whether na inside real account, whether na inside, I don't care. What till you do me, I go do you. Now that one, they carry some people reach that level. You understand? So sometimes not they bring your brothers or your sisters. If you really want to support them, or you want to be their backbone, you want to bring them out of that thing, they need your support. Because the time when they enter school, they just enter say, make I go read. I want to be a pharmacist. I want to be this one. But when they come enter there, they come see and say, constant bully, constant tracking, constant bully, constant track. You do a video, another person will take it and change it. You do a video. When I do my hook up, when I sit down, I don't know what they talk. Different kind of people now. Now your hook up na fake. Why you they do this one? Why you they do that one? Why you they collect money for them? Why you they talk? Why you just take 5 hours for live video? You just do the for live video. As if the nyash when I take the sit down, I borrow one for their hand. As if the mat when I take the talk, I borrow one for their hand. You know, even the ones where they pretend when no one talk, they'll be coming. They'll be coming. You know, they just want to demoralize you. So by the time you also gather your strength, because you are a human being, you never say never in this life. If something not happen to you, not they ever say never. Not talk, say you see me, I know I'll do this thing. If you reach your body, you go do and you go over, do and pass. Yes. That's one truth about this life. If you pretend, you will die. That is why pretenders, they don't move and they don't grow. Pretenders not they grow for life. People go know, say this one a pretender. So if better people don't know you, the kind of person where you be say, na so he be oh egbenyon wa no egbenyon oret mon shigbe. They will just know you. People will just like you the way you be. Outside pretense, outside the boss, you will attract your kind. Your kind will follow you in whatever way you are doing. But if I can't pretend I be Joseph, I'll come pretend to be Paul. Poor people go follow me, whereas now Joseph now be. And they follow you nowhere. Poor people go follow me, whereas now Joseph I be. They follow you nowhere. You'll be dying, you'll be pretending. Me, I know they die with my people. I know they take injection because of any live video issue. And I know they swallow medication. Now here for the cure. If I just hear waiting, I don't suppose hear. Or it's reasonable. When I know say I suppose talk about them, I'll carry a con here. Wow, bye. I'll carry a con here. Rita, please don't change. Just keep your good work and always stand for the truth and justice that we know you and love you for. Exactly. You see? So with time, people will love you for who you be. They will follow you. They will know say that this one. They will come there. If na crayfish you they say, people will know say na crayfish you they say oh. With time, they will come know you for crayfish. All of them they find you they come because of that crayfish where you they say. Because of that fish where you they say. Because of that thing where they know you for, they come. But if you na crayfish you they say, you they cover and you they show people say na rice you they say. People go they see rice, whereas na crayfish, na you go see suffer. Not be another person. This is one thing pretense can do to people. Pretense will destroy your life. It will bring you down. It will bring you to level 0. You cannot explain yourself to people. And people will never understand you because you are pretending. They will the one that come they say, you might understand. You know, na a pastor, imam saga, na pastor, Ahwe Mama Saga, Ahwe Atibabo, Iyankwe Matiogun. They don't understand again. People will be confused. Yes. We the Great Commenters Association knows waiting day. So therefore, we must judge according to individual days. Nobody can deceive us. Sabi, my people. Thank you so much. Nobody can deceive you. So, now so life be, my people. That is why I really want to appreciate my fans and my followers. And my people, thank you so much for following me and for always being there. I'm gonna also forget to, because some people will say, Rita, what did they make your body they shine? Now this one. Now they make my body they succulent too. If you know, so you want to join me, they enjoy this thing. The one where they make this my body they succulent, so the way they cute, so it's very, very nice in the skin. It's very nice, very well. I am the ambassador, in short, the one and only ambassador of First Class Skincare. This time, as we talk now. Make una buy for her, my people. Make una go order for her. Make una call her. Make una buy for her. I post some sets yesterday. It's very good in the body. This one is the body cream. And it's thick. It's good for winter too. I like their cream. See ya. If you cut them for hand, they thick. Wow. No see ya. It's thick well. If you use a rub for winter, you'll be feeling it to say, you know, this is thick, like thick. Me, they like cream with thick. I know they like cream with be like lotion. It will come be like lotion for body. It will just, it go spread. That kind of cream, I will not be liking it because of winter. And it get better smell. The smell well. That is why people go say, waiting good, na money cost or some people say they expensive. If you dey Europe, rub your skin, nana made they shine because this skin when they look so, the day when you go turn to it, the day is very close. The day is coming very fast. I can't imagine myself from 5 years from now, maybe wrinkle. This my eyelid lid don't they draw. It don't they draw. Another deportation alarm, October 12th. They want to deport people in Germany. I want to go and look and search for it. I will come and talk about it. How much is it? We like to get some for my wife. Wow. It's very fun. You will see the way your wife will come. If you touch the skin, go to make leku leku. It's very good. To know the price, I don't know. Because as an ambassador, I normally get my package. But this is it. If you want to get it, you can contact her. I posted a video yesterday. Now picture, I posted her yesterday. I put the link for there. I put the phone number, everything. So that you go call her. If you not call her, I'm gonna tell her, say, una see I'm wearing it advertising. And now they use, this is what I use on my body. You know they spoil my hand, you not see my hand. You know they spoil my body, you know they spoil my face. You know they give me stretch mark. You know give me, and I know they use filter. I know they use filter take picture. If you see me say I take picture, I just take on with my phone the way it be. I don't go to Beauty Plus. I know that because I didn't know. I know that people will know it. You know, I normally take it. I know that I have a good skin and beautiful skin. I don't need all those things. I just take my picture the way it is. First Class Skincare. Una way know me. Una know say I don't use Anna for a year plus now, up to a year and 6 months now, where they use First Class Skincare, and it has never done anything to my body. It never spoiled my body. One day, me I come the one that say, oh, this cream. Since when I they use her, now I can't get all this kind of body so way can't they for me. You know, why the price is inside the cream? Why the particles inside the cream? Particles, no particles inside though. There's no particles at all. There's no particles. They just make color. It's nice. It's thick. It's good for body. This one you don't even need to go the look for another cream again when you want to use. It's nice. If they know your color, they will give you your color. Not me say go come bleach you. Why you never bleach me? Why you never bleach me? So I don't need Snapchat, my people. If you use that, you know they need Snapchat. You just your skin will be beautiful and fine. Look. Now in the be. Now so it be so First Class. If you know my skin before, I was using before I started this live video, or before I started to be the ambassador of First Class Skincare, I was using what is it again? I forgot the name of that my cream.
I forgot. That one we used to buy now.
Clear something.
Clear Essence.
Clear Essence, exactly. Clear Essence, Abi?
Yeah.
I was using Clear Essence. But mama, it's only for light skin. It's not for everybody. It's for everybody. They also have the one for dark skin. Now make me talk and so say you go tell her. If you call her, you tell her. You can also have it for dark skin. Me, not too light skin like that. Look at me. It's my skin too light skin. No. Now powder where I rub, now make you a black pass. My skin is just a normal skin something. You know they bleach you, makes you look okay. So you can buy from First Class Skincare and trust the cream, because if you know they okay, I for know they use them. And they get better smell too. That smell also they make me they like them. And this one and they use them for face. You get your own personal face cream. May I show you that one? The face cream we follow and come. The face cream is also very, very nice. Let me bring the face cream. I left it in the bathroom. You get your own face cream too. You see, now the face cream might be this. This one, if I bath, I'll use a rub. New one just come to me, Nana. See, it's yellowish inside. If you bath, you just take on. Then if I take the face cream, how me take the do one? I'll come add the cream. Small the oil. This one are oil. Now this is so. It's body oil. It's very good. Your body will make your body warm. They greet you. Somebody are greeting you. Ghana or guy greet you. So.
Hello, good
happy
afternoon.
Sunday, happy Sunday from
to
Erodo one of the whole world.
Yeah, Penbook, I greet you. Lolo Kubana, I saw you
Lolo
greeting
Kubana,
me.
eh?
How are you? Mr. Don Ezekiel,
Mr.
Sister
Don is
Sterling.
having birthday tomorrow.
Yes, happy birthday in advance. We are going to celebrate you in a big style, Brother Don. Huh?
Relax, tomorrow we are going to really celebrate you big tomorrow. The celebration is going to land. You go see her. We will do one for yet tomorrow. Big one.
Yeah, good afternoon, Carol White. Oh.
You know what's the meaning of Carol White?
Carol White, I know, yeah.
It's a cream.
Is it that cream? Yeah.
One cream like that's what they write Carol White.
Brother Douglas, how are you? I am fine. Illiterate commenters, the degree woman, I greet you.
Illiterate commenter is a PhD degree holder.
Yeah.
Now I say Jesus. PhD degree holder way less saga like this.
I appreciate all of you for being here. Huh?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
He likes saga. PhD holder, but he loves saga. Anywhere where John here said
anywhere where there's saga, you will see illiterate commenter there. Bulldozing. Huh?
They bulldoze for inside the saga, they go.
Yeah, good afternoon, Sister Mary. Good afternoon.
If they bulldoze for inside the saga, they go.
Desmond. Yeah.
Illiterate commenter, PhD holder in saga. But in a year, not real PhD holder, but for he call saga, he get PhD holder for his side.
Somebody is asking about the price for the cream. The prices are determined by the owner.
By the owner, bravo. The prices is determined by the owner. Only the owner I know the price.
Exactly.
So yeah, no. But if you call and just now, go tell you say now this one.
They'll give you the price.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now I tell the rub where I tell make kule. Rod, are you testifying to this cream?
No, the cream is very nice. Yeah, I would also recommend. If anyone asks me, I'll say go for it. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Bravo.
No side effects. You will not even suffer all those other what other creams do to people's skin. But
yeah.
This one, it's really perfect. You will really enjoy it.
Yes.
Now, you have a nice day.
Have
Sister
a nice
Faith,
day.
Carol, yeah, and Adi. I greet you all. Thank you, huh?
Yeah. So, my people, don't forget to contact First Class Skincare for your beautiful body, body maintenance. Nice seeing you here, our great responsible Erodo. Una do well, my people. Okay. So, story well now they hear, my people. Me una not they believe nonsense story. Because I always like to come and debunk nonsense. When I hear it, I will just debunk it because of people. Some people are saying rubbish to say, hey, and your husband one day don't run leave man for us. I heard it, I was just laughing.
We don't answer nonsense.
We don't answer nonsense, Sabi. Now so yeah, they say you don't leave me for us. I was saying, wow, this is the wish of this person. May your wish for me come to your doorstep in Jesus' name. May your wish for me.
If wishes were horses, beggars would ride.
If wishes?
If wishes were horses,
beggars would ride.
Beggars
will ride, okay. If wishes were horses, beggars won't ride. Not the wish for husband and wife to separate you. Not the wish, because you don't get what you want to get from inside. Which one they use? You say, okay, somebody is asking you the cream where they use. If you know the cream where Father they use, you will laugh there.
No, me, I'm not using this one. I have my own type.
You know the cream where they use. I don't want to have that for now. May I show you father-in-law cream?
Which one?
Father-in-law can even use ordinary body oil. You don't get problem. His skin are just natural fine skin. Ordinary body oil. You go use them. Cream where they use now. I know some of now where they general. I know what it be Roseman. Now from Roseman, is it not Roseman?
Yes, from Roseman.
From Roseman. Now for the buy out. Ordinary Roseman. It's not even they expensive. The same cream that my children they used to. You understand? Now we will be the women. Now we they fight for.
Women are the ones who go.
My God. Our wala too much, eh? Somebody says sometimes Saga they do waiting. Read that comment for me that day. Sometimes Saga they give something. I don't know how you talk. So father-in-law, not the wow, Sister Seren, welcome.
Was asking how do I get the number of first class?
Okay, how you take get the number of first class? Now, may you go my page. If you go my page just now, you just scroll and go down. Be like saying that yesterday I post some. I post the name, the cream, and I post the phone number. Look at you see the phone number for inside a Canadian number +1. And that number you put on for WhatsApp. Contact her. Tell her say you hear her from Rita. She will do more explanation for you. So error do not they use all this kind of cream way they use. And my husband have never touched his cream his body one day with anything with the bleach body. Shea butter. Saga no more is asking you if it's shea butter that you are using. When I like his skin, do you want to use the kind of cream he's using? If you have a black skin, it is good for black people body well. If they make their black, they fine. Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay, let me bring father-in-law cream for you. It's cheap and it's nice. And if you get black skin as a guy or a woman, you can just use it and your skin will be looking beautiful.
Exactly.
Let me bring it.
Me, my skin is just like how it is.
So father-in-law don't be like we be say if they find expensive cream they go for market. See cream where they use. You can get it in Roseman. How do we even call it? Vanilla, Bettina Pat. This is the cream he's using right from day one.
Bettina.
Bettina Pat. That until they rub the same way they shine like that too. You don't see her. Sometimes I will just say, oh, Salobua. Enter supermarket. €5, €6, I don't buy Bettina Pat. Me will call my own a heavy amount of money. Eh? Even though say like diamond, like you put for your body. Natural skin. God will give us black. We will come bleach through with some of us. God not the crazy. Some people they will never really touch their skin one day. Father-in-law skin be like all those American men where they born for America. Now only to jump back. Sometimes not go even for rub the cream, go forget not the rubber. But the black still be ebony black. Black is beautiful, my people. And if you want to know that black is beautiful in the screen, if you they see there for screen, you will know say black is beautiful. When they are doing a movie or then they screen, I don't say as for the in-law stand for here just now. It black now, wow. You go come they pay me say, oh yeah, you go can go for the first time, but nevertheless, somebody say I'm supposed to bleach.
You say?
I don't be their comments they make me they laugh. You say Ambrose they bleach.
Bleaching cleans the body.
Eh? My husband not the bleach, so God forbid. My husband Americano. Hello. Are they life? Okay.
I just pin first class skincare number now.
They don't say don't pin first class skincare nana. For people who want to, you pin the phone number and information. You pin her for you. Bravo. +1 647 648 0864. The cream is very nice. I have used it. Alright. Okay, you don't use this cream before. It's very nice. You can also use it for it's hand and body lotion. Hand and body lotion. You can also use it for your hand. Even my children. Anything where it arch, I don't they use that to my add that to my children's skin. And if you see they are black, even they have cast with their body. Now this one that they use. Now only me now they the first classy, name classy, not classy. All of them, the other ones now this one. They don't use this one, they don't carry go. You see it? I also don't like it when you bleach children. Or you use cream where they hatch for children's skin. I know they like them. It's not good. It's better to just leave them carry their skin the way Now Italian skin, no. Now Italian cream, now the cream base. Somebody say Italian cream is very good for dark skin. Yes, this cream is Italian. Bettina Batti. Bettina Batti. You can screenshot it if you need it for your dark skin as a guy. You can have it. Go look for it. You know,